Class, you have made it. We are at week 14. As I've mentioned a couple times in this course, week 14 is fairly straightforward. It's really based around project 6 and this final presentation. And then you'll have a discussion board. This discussion board is with everybody in the course, just like the icebreaker discussion board was. That way you can all get back together and see each other's final products here. But we'll get into the final presentation so you understand the context of that discussion board. And the assignment here is simply a 3-minute screencast. So similar, this is I do a weekly screencast in this format. I upload it to YouTube. You can choose whatever platform you want for this screencast. I'll scroll down a little bit and you'll see this. There is a suggested format for you to use, but as long as you have audio and video and it's uploaded somewhere where your classmates can stream it on YouTube or a dedicated screencasting site, then you have met the requirements of this. Please note it does say 3 minutes, so please don't go under 3 minutes, and please don't go too far over 3 minutes. Be conscientious of your classmates who are going to be watching many of these, and if you do a 5-minute or 8-minute or 10-minute screencast, you're taking up a lot of their time when really you can be concise and keep this to a 3-minute presentation. You'll just walk us through in a 3-minute presentation how your business works, the product or services you offer, and the tools that you used to help your business do well. The video does need to adhere to these guidelines, so it needs to be an active recording. Don't show PowerPoint or pictures of your website. You need to use this screencast to go to your website and walk us through the functionality. Click on different things on your site. You can use Zoom or Jing, but again, you don't have to use one of those platforms. Both of those are free to make screencasts, so you don't have to purchase screencasting software. I use Screencast-O-Matic for these presentations, and despite it being a somewhat cheesy name, it does work well, and it's a reliable platform, which is why I continue to use it. But Zoom or Jing works well. Again, just remember, once you've finished your screencast, you need to upload it to a site online for others to stream from. Inevitably, I'll get a couple students every semester that turn in a file link to their computer, and no one will be able to access that. You have to upload it to a website, and that's it. So if you submit that URL, that is your final presentation, and then you will post that same link for your discussion board and your responses, and that will be it. So it's a simple week. I hope this allows you to focus a little bit on other classes, finals if you have those. Really, last week was our big major end of semester week, and this is designed to be much simpler. So thank you, everybody. You've been a fantastic class. It's been a unique semester, to say the least, but I've found a lot of joy and gratification in being your instructor. I'm really excited to see these final presentations. It's just fun to see the work that everyone's put in this year and be able to see it one by one. So I'm looking forward to that. If you're having trouble with your screencasting software, please reach out. I'd be happy to give you some guidance on that. Thanks, everybody.